In a warehouse in Novi, volunteers from Congregation of Every One are building survival packs filled with toiletries, clothing, non-perishable food, and other necessities to proactively distribute directly to the homeless in Detroit.
A lot of people see an organization that helps the homeless and they just assume they're all the same. Some that just open up a center and expect everybody to come to the center, and you guys are a little bit more, let's go where the problem is.
That's all we do. We are actively seeking them out wherever they are.
And it used to be in that downtown corridor quite a number of services and shelters, and those have been pushed out by a lot of the development. What we find is there are vast swaths where people are, living in abandoned houses, they're living in fields.
Many of them are just normal people like you and me that had 3 bad months, and now they're out on the streets. Every time we find at least 200, and we probably could do more every month.
We're just trying to make sure that people have what they need to get through another day, another week, to feel like it's worth getting through another day and another week. And that's really what we're trying to do with this.
Congregation of Every One, what does that mean?
The essence of being a congregation of people, that it didn't matter who you were, what you believed. It's even beyond non-denominational. It's just everyone. Talking to them, shaking their hands, hugging them. That 10 or 20 minutes you sit with them is way more important than a bag of food.
Building survival packs and building relationships, Congregation of Every One is serving the underserved right here in the heart of Detroit.